October 2022. And we have Kokkokalliontie. Kokkokalliontie 9 staircase with the F.
Yeah.
And it's here in Pitäjänmäki, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. And this residential building was built in 1980 originally, but the elevators were added in the beginning of 2005. It says 5 or May 2005 on the glass on the staircase. When it was rebuilt or remodeled into this. We have 4 floors here. We started on the basement floor here. The number is 1969F and the capacity is 8 persons or 16 grams. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. Still deserves 2 rides because it's one of the last smarts in Finland. Not the last, but one of the last ones. As far as we know, the last should be from May 2006, but I haven't filmed that yet. Maybe we'll find it somewhere. Schindler about the door rail, and it also says May 2005 here.
Yeah.
And also smart additions are not that common.
Yeah.
There are a lot of more of those cases, but I feel a little bit more those in those.
Yeah.
Have the additions for existing residential buildings.
Yeah. Diskutiert Bailiff-institutet, maintained by Espanisi.
And also those generic and others are a little bit more common, I think.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Unfortunately. You can close the door. It's armslave and others, so too common.
Yeah. It's most common after prospace and monospace. Unfortunately.
Yeah. That's it.
That's